Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and fill your rear differential fluid in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We raised and supported the vehicle. If you're doing this at your house, you can do it on a jack and jack stands. You want to make sure the vehicle is level while you're checking this fluid. I'm going to take a 3/8 ratchet and back in between the differential and this rear cross member, there's a plug right here. I'm gonna put the ratchet through that plug and loosen it up. Now that it's a little loose, I can do it by hand. Spin it out. It's a little bit tight in here. Pull it out. There is a magnet on the end of this. You can see some of the metal shavings, which this amount is acceptable. There's really no big chunks of metal in there or anything. So as you can see, the rear differential oil is actually coming out a little bit. So this is at the appropriate level, so we don't actually have to top any more off. For adding fluid, I'm going to use the bottle, and it's got a nipple on it, and I'm just gonna take this hose that I've cut and put it over the nipple. And then I'm gonna squeeze the bottle to get the fluid in. You can also use a suction gun or a fluid transfer pump. That will work, whatever works for you. So if we did need to add some fluid, you can just put our hose in here, or if you're using a pump or a suction gun, get that inserted in there, and I'll squeeze the bottle. All right, and I'll pull the hose away. We'll let that drain. You're gonna wanna have a drain pan underneath to catch the fluid. So now that that's dripping like that, we're at the appropriate level. I'm gonna take the fill plug and I'll just take a little bit of pipe sealer, go around the fill plug, lift around with my finger. And I'll reinstall the fill plug. Now that fill plug is installed by hand, I will take my ratchet. I'm just gonna snug it up some more before I torque it. Oops. Sometimes I gotta turn this a little bit. I'm gonna grab a torque wrench, and it's really not gonna fit in here. It's a little bit too wide. If you have a thinner torque wrench, or you have the ability to get a torque wrench in there, you're gonna wanna torque this to 21 foot-pounds. All right, since I can't get the torque wrench in there, I'm just gonna snug this up a little bit more. All right, after that's all set, I'm gonna take some brake parts cleaner, just clean off all the excess. Make sure you clean on the exhaust. It is gonna smell a little bit when you first start the vehicle. It's gonna burn off some of that, so make sure you clean that off the best you can. And I'll take a rag and wipe some of this off. The exhaust, and also the back cover. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.